Welcome back to me screaming.
I will not kiss you. Lips attractive, faded color mine.
Hey, how do you have a soul voice? And he's like, yo, watch this. Panic has the fucking cover of Rolling Stone. Yo, fuck these dudes. We're gonna fucking go miles above.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, cause you did. What you say?
I'm just trying to sit here and eat my waffles and you just fucking disrespected me!
Thanks, Pete. Thanks, Pete. This is what you'll get. My milk fix brings all the girls to the net, and they're like, it's making me wet. Damn right, it's making you wet. You spent all your time surfing on the net, girl. I'm just kidding, but I know about it.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.
Sometimes you gotta plead and no, that you're alive and have a soul, oh no. But it takes someone to come around to show you out. She's the tear in my heart. I'm alive, she's the tear in my heart. I'm a fire, she's the tear in my heart. Take me higher than I've ever been. My heart is my armor, she's the tear in my heart. She's a carver, she's a butcher with a smile. Got me farther than I've ever been. No, than I've ever been. No, than I've ever been. No, than I've ever been.
Welcome back to me screaming.
Hey, Dallin, shut the fuck up!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Woo!
Dick!
If you love me, let me. Fuck you.
Oh, yeah.
What is this?
You're taking a. This is a video.
This is a video.
Have you-
Snapchat! Thank you, Snapchat.
Hey.
We're dying! You'll never make me! Because the world will never take my heart! Go and try!
So I'm just gonna be like, excuse me, could you please leave?
What's Gibby thinking about?
Can you save my heritage soul? Can you save my I will not.
Hello, I'm Harold Howitzer. Welcome to Haunt Hunters, hunting haunts and hotels in Hoboken. H. What was that?
I was in that band for so long that I never thought that there would be anything other than that band, so...
And remember, kids, don't cry, craft!
Keeping things wet since 1988.
There you go.
Yep. That's it, Josh. A little more, Josh. A little more, Josh. Tyler, this is too much. You're an animal, you're a tiger. You're after it. You have to be under both tigers. You guys are hungry tigers. Hungry tigers. Hungry. You only hear growl. I can't be hungrier.
Oh, yes, Daddy.
I'm sorry, man. I really gotta go.
Me too.
I'm gonna kill myself!
Wow.
I'm going to kill myself and it's your fault!
Gerard.
Watch this.
Where are you going?
To join the Black Parade!
If you want to be dope, if you want to stay cool, try respecting your elders and staying in school. Swag.
If you weren't born with it, you can buy a couple ornaments. Just be sure to read the warning, kids, 'cause pretty soon you'll be bored of it. Ha ha, sexual. Hey girl, if you wanna feel sexual, you can always call up a professional.
Let's have a group hug. Everyone get in. Good job.
Oh, yes, Daddy.